so stressed. And I can't believe this is happening. Hello everyone, welcome back to another vlog, and a very special vlog at that, because tomorrow I am officially moving out from my parents' house. This is such a surreal moment. Like, I haven't wrapped my head around it, and it's honestly been a long time coming, but I've lived with my parents pretty much all 26 years of my life, except for the 4 years when I was away in San Diego for college. Post-grad, I moved back home just so that I could save money, spend more time with my parents since I'm an only child. And even though I love living with them, Mom, Dad, if you're watching, I love you, I think it's time for me to leave the nest and just have a place of my own. I am honestly really excited. I'm also really stressed because I have been packing for the last 3 days, and I only gave myself 3 days because I literally came back from Korea on Sunday. I always do this to myself. I always don't give myself time to breathe and stack all of my events one after the other, but I think it's still going to be a very gradual move because I'm moving out of my parents' place and my new apartment is only 20 minutes away. So I'm actually not too stressed because I can, move everything throughout the weeks as they go by, and it's not like I'm being kicked out of here. But yeah, it's really exciting to start this new chapter of my life. It's something that I've been wanting to do, especially in the last year when I started solo traveling, especially my 2.5-month trip when I was by myself in my little Airbnb in Korea. I really missed that feeling of living alone and having my own space. So the time has come and she is moving out. But I'm going to be bringing you along in this whole journey. I don't really know what I'm doing, but tomorrow I'm going to be moving into my new 1-bedroom apartment in San Jose. I'm not too far, literally just 20 minutes away, so I'm still going to be in the Bay Area, and I've always wanted to experience living in my own place in the Bay Area, so I'm really excited. It's in San Jose. It's next to the mall that I love going to, and it's also technically in a luxury apartment. I don't know why I did that to myself. My wallet is definitely going to be crying all year, but I really love the apartment and the building. Really nice amenities, it's renovated, and it's just chef's kiss. And for all of you who are curious, I will not be moving out on my own, even though ideally I would have loved to, but in this economy and with the Bay Area standard of living, that was not in the cards for me. There was no way I could move out and pay rent, Bay Area's rent, on top of that on my own. So I will have a roommate, and I will be moving in with my boyfriend. His lease is ending this month, and as I said, I've been itching to move out, so we just thought that this would be a really good opportunity to move in together and start this new chapter of our lives together. And we really like each other, so we thought it'd be a great next step for our relationship. So I'm really excited about that. But yeah, I'm super stressed. Literally, my room is a mess just trying to pack everything, and tomorrow is going to be a jam-packed day. Luckily, I took the day off tomorrow from work, and I thought that would be the best move in terms of time because I'm very stingy on my PTO, but I decided we're gonna take tomorrow off just so that I'm not too stressed. And even though I'm kind of stressed and anxious about tomorrow, I'm also just so excited because this is honestly just such a huge deal and a big step for me. And it's crazy to think, for those who were with me at the start of my YouTube journey, I literally filmed my very first video in this room. I think this was the backdrop of my first video 2-3 years ago. And I can't believe that I'm finally moving into my own space where I'll have, the space and the freedom and keep growing as an individual, hopefully become more independent and become a full-fledged adult and learn financial responsibility. That part I'm not excited about because paying for rent, on top of that paying a big Bay Area rent, was definitely not in my 2023 bingo cards, but it's fine. I agreed to this and I signed up for this. So yeah, I'm not excited about the rent part, but I'm excited about everything else. And even though it might be a slow move and it might take a while for me to just get everything out of here, it's the start of a new beginning. I can't wait to take you all along. I can't wait to show you my new apartment. But I have to finish packing today and I have to finish work. So fingers crossed for me that I survive these next few days. It's happening. We got our key fob. Fancy, fancy. We're about to go see our apartment. For the first time. No. Kind of fire. Okay, we just saw the place. We're in a little hurry because we need to start moving stuff, but I'm gonna do a quick little house tour since it's empty. Here is the entryway, and then right here is a closet with our in-unit washer and dryer, which is something we really wanted. And then we have a nice little area. We're probably gonna put our shoe rack, cleaning supplies, and whatnot in here. But I'm really glad we have this closet because a lot of one bedrooms did not have this. We have our huge kitchen, which is so nice and renovated. I think this building was built only like 2 years ago, so everything's pretty brand new. We have a very nice fridge, an amazing stove. He's very excited for this stove. And yeah, just an amazing kitchen. We really liked this L countertop. I'm glad it's not an island like most one bedroom units, but we're really excited to make meals, or I think he's excited to cook meals because he's a chef, not me. Here's the living room space, nice and big and great natural light. There's our view. Beautiful San Jose. We're probably just gonna put our couch, TV, my work desk here. Yeah, lots of space to work with. I won't go outside, but we have a nice little balcony. Probably put some furniture there. And we have an outdoor storage unit, which we will need because we have a lot of stuff. We go in here. Hello. We have our one bathroom, a nice big shower with good water pressure, which is something he wanted. Very good water pressure. And yeah, great bathroom. And last but not least, we have our bedroom. It's a little small now that we're looking at it. I don't know how we're gonna fit all of our stuff in here, but we have nice natural light and a walk-in closet. I don't know if we're gonna fit all our clothes in here, but this is still very, very nice. That was our little room tour. We're in a little bit of a time crunch. But we're gonna start moving now. Yay! We did it! Yay! My childhood room is empty. Have a little wagon. Yes. Strong men, yeah. Wow, very nice.
Baby. Why do you do
Did she buy it for us, or it was just... I will. Worth the money.